Hi guys, Tara Scott from Revitalize. I had another really good question in the comments. Somebody asked, what happens if I want to get off of birth control pills? Now, this question I interpreted as not necessarily to conceive, but just because they're on birth control for a symptom. So that's a tricky situation. So a lot of times when we see patients and they come to us on birth control pills, those birth control pills are masking a symptom. And so they are shutting the ovary down. So we don't really know what your hormone levels would be without the birth control pill. On the same token, patients are afraid to go off the birth control pill because when they go off to get their hormones tested, then they're going to have worse periods, worse acne, worse PMS, whatever the symptom is. So it's like they don't want to go off to get the tested, but then how do we know what your body's doing? So we have a protocol for doing this at Revitalize. Usually we'll do a specific test on the birth control pill while you're still on it. There's still a way that we can do that. We'll test your hormone and find out about your estrogen metabolism. We can do something called the dried urine test for complete hormones, or Dutch test, while you're on a birth control pill. We can also check a few other hormones and kind of figure things out. Now, what we normally do once we kind of solidify what we're thinking as far as why you're having your symptoms is we have you come off of the birth control pill and right on to some kind of natural preparation. So it's not like you have to take off the birth control pill, not take it for 3 months, have bad acne, have bad cramps, or whatever while you're waiting to start a new therapy. We will find a way to make the transitions seamless for you. However, it does take you coming in and getting evaluated. So hopefully that was helpful information. There is hope for people who are taking birth control pills for a symptom control, who are done with their family and don't need birth control anymore. So come on in and see us at Revitalize or sign up for a discovery call at the link below and see if we can help.